everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Happy Wednesday and happy birthday if today is your birthday. It's actually a little chilly. It looks like a really beautiful day outside, but turns out it's cold. Uh-oh, where's my cat go? Come on, circle back around. She was off on a little adventure. Oh, you're gonna come back inside? Okay. I'm just giving Molly some outside time. She hasn't had it, honestly, in quite a while, but she hasn't been that into it lately. Hi, bestie. Here she comes. You know, it's sort of cold out there, right? It's not as nice. So much sun in here for her to lay in. Why would she want to be outside in the cold? Oh man, this day is off to a slow start. I'm just tired this morning. Definitely need to make myself a chai to get the brain moving. Luckily, it shouldn't be too bad or long of a day. I got so much done on Monday that just put me in a really, really good position for the rest of this week, which is always so good. Let's see, can this balance on here? It is precarious, but I think it's okay. My hair looks crazy.
I'm ready.
Ready for what?
Ready for it all.
Okay. Can't relate. I'm ready for nothing.
How's your schedule looking like?
All right. 12 p.m. call. Other than that, it'll be fine.
Fairly chill?
Yeah. I don't think it'll be too bad. It is lunchtime here at the Cimorelli O'Reilly household. And sandwiches are on the menu. Nice little turkey sandwich. Sounds delish. It's been a busy day, but productive, feeling good. It's only coming up on like 12:30 right now, and I got a lot done, so feeling good. Are you waiting for a snack? Look at this little face. Just begging for food constantly.
She's so cute.
But look at how tiny she is. Are you so tiny?
It was so funny hanging out with Cooper and then coming back. Didn't she seem
She
smaller?
looked so small. Hello, small little cat. Sorry, there's nothing there yet. Well, just like that, it is the end of the day, and what a day it was. Very, very productive, feeling very good, and wrapping up like right at 5, which is awesome. Can never complain about that. So really quickly, I wanted to just sit down with you guys and chat a little bit more about the merch situation, because we need to get this show on the road, am I right? So I have narrowed down the options to 2 final options that you guys can vote on. I'm gonna have a poll that you guys can go in, and whichever one gets the most votes is going to be the design that I release. To be honest, as I'm filming this right now, I have not actually narrowed them down yet because this vlog is going up in like a week. So I have a little bit of time, but I do need to do that and need to figure out what the heck I'm going to do. I really want to get this show on the road because I want to make sure that I get a sample in before it's released to you guys, which takes a little bit of time. So I need to like get that here, then I need to shoot it so that I can like promote it on Instagram and stuff like that, and then I can release it to you guys. So I'll be taking you along on that whole journey as I have this entire time, and I am very excited despite the fact that I have not picked the final 2 designs yet, but I'm sure whatever they are awesome. I really appreciate everyone who has participated in the survey so far. This will be the very last one, obviously, since we're picking our final design. Honestly, I really like all of the designs that we sort of put together, so there's a big potential that whichever one doesn't win will still be released at some point, maybe for our next round, but for now, we are going to pick just one to be released. It honestly has been such a fun process getting to sort of take you guys along on the ride for this. I've really been enjoying it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it a little bit too. I guess I haven't shown you guys a ton of behind the scenes of putting this stuff together. It's more been like you guys making decisions. So I definitely want to show you guys more behind the scenes, like from now on. I'll show you sort of what the dashboard looks like on my end and how I set up the campaigns. I'll show you like when I get the product, shooting the product, all of that. So it should be a lot of fun. I also got a lot of requests to do merch that says happy birthday if today is your birthday, which I really do like that idea. We're not gonna do it this time, but maybe in the future we can make that happen, because I do think that's cute and sort of like you know, obviously it's like a little inside joke. I mean, it's not a joke, but you know, a little thing just between me and my viewers, but also it's just a nice thing. Like if you happen to be wearing it, maybe it's someone's birthday. You never know. I had a really good day though, honestly. It was so productive, got a lot of stuff off my to-do list, including like a sort of big project that I've been putting off for a while. I had to put together a wireframe for a potential page on one of my clients' websites. If you guys don't know what a wireframe is, it's sort of like just a photo of what an entire web page would look like. Like I design it in Photoshop and sort of what it would look like. I don't really know how else to describe it. You can Google wireframe and you'll get an even better idea. But it honestly ended up not being that painful of a process anyway. It took me like 2 hours to put together. So really shouldn't have put it off for like a whole week like I did, but that's okay. Today just felt like a good day to get it done. Let's see, tomorrow I have a fairly light to-do list, like a really light to-do list. Monday's vlog, maybe Tuesday too, if we can, why not? I need to pay my bills. I need to schedule Amazon posts. Okay, there we go. And I have nothing on my to-do list for Friday yet. I'm sure some things will get put on there. Tonight, I think we are going to FaceTime with Connor's brother, Dylan, and do a Catan night. This is funny too, I got a lot of people, I feel like this has now been a long clip of me just sitting here talking, I'm sorry. But I got a lot of people being like, what is Catan? It is a board game, really, really fun board game. You should definitely check it out. And they have just a free version online that you can play like virtually. So that's how we do it with Tara, that's how we do it with Dylan, because both of them are in Toronto. Even like last weekend with Brendan, because we don't actually own the board game, we just had him bring his laptop and we played that way and it works really well. So highly recommend you give it a try if you're interested, because it is so much fun. I am so addicted. And I think we're hopping on with him in like 10 or 15, so we'll see how this night goes. I totally forgot about vlogging while we were playing Catan, but I lost both games, so.
They're not even worth it.
It's not even worth sharing, it's fine.
Big night for the O'Reilly brothers.
Yep, 1-1. But Connor and I are just starting on dinner now, and we are making tuna steak burritos. I am so excited.
Yeah. It's been
so
way
good.
too long since we've done this.
I know, it's been
And it
so
used to
long.
be a staple, like every week.
Totally. We're bringing it back into the rotation.
Getting back on
Bringing
the
it
ship.
back. We got our station set up to build our burritos and I am so excited. Look at this burrito. It looks so good. I am so excited for this. I feel like this is like a pretty good masterpiece here.
I'm ready in 15 minutes.
Yeah, oh my God. That's absolutely the best part. It's just that it's ready so quickly. I love it. Next day, I'm not really vlogging today, but I thought I would pop on to wrap up this vlog and do a quick little haul because I got a box from Revolve here. I feel like we've been doing so many hauls lately because I've been on a shopping spree. I just feel like the world is opening back up and finally going out again. You know, Connor and I are getting our vaccines and I don't know, it just has inspired me. Like I need a fresh wardrobe.
Because I can confirm you don't have enough clothes here.
Thank you
As
for
is.
confirming that because I agree. We got a lot of stuff this time. I am very excited. Okay, first up we have this sweater. This is from Camilla I never know how to say this. Colho, I believe. So simple black, really like lightweight knit, and then it has the open back with the string that is sort of cute and trendy right now. So excited about that. I also got a couple swimsuits. This first one is a little blue one piece, strapless. Just thought that was really cute. But I guess it does have straps that you can attach. What was this? I can't remember. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that you can attach these if you want. And then it has a open back as well with a little tie. So really cute. And then I also got a little black bikini, cute high-waisted bottoms, and then little matching black top and sort of cute, like pretty open back here. A lot of open back things in this haul so far. Okay, next I got this really cute shacket, and believe it or not, this is my first shacket ever, which is crazy because they have been trendy for like a year plus now at this point. So I can't believe that I just never got one, but finally got my hands on one. It's in this gorgeous purple color, So cute for spring, and it is pretty lightweight, but it's also really soft. So just an ideal situation here. I think I got this in an extra small because it looked huge on the model. Yeah, I did. It looked massive on the model, and she was like 5 inches taller than me. So I was like, okay, I definitely need to go with the extra small. I think a lot of this is an extra small. Revolve is really hard with sizing, to be honest. Oh my God, we still have so much more stuff. This is amazing. Okay, next up, a new pair of girlfriend denim. So
Hey,
excited.
Molly, stop that.
What's she eating?
Wrapper.
God. Anyway, new pair of Revolve denim. I mean, girlfriend denim. Very happy that girlfriend is back on Revolve. I'm pretty sure it's straight leg crop denim, although it'll never be cropped on me because I'm so short. So it'll be a little cuff. Next up, oh yeah, I got this little purple dress here. Sleeveless, really cute. It might be long on me though, so we're gonna have to see if this works or not. What brand is this? Super Down. So also super affordable. Super Down always has good prices. And then last up, one more thing from Super Down, and that's this little sort of asymmetrical top. Like, it has a spaghetti strap on this side, a bit of a thicker strap on this side. It's in this like sparkly gray color. I thought that would be fun for like a dinner out or just going out in general. And that is the haul. That was a lot of stuff this time. I feel like my Revolve hauls are usually smaller than this, but we got a lot of stuff. So big thank you to Revolve for sending me all of those goodies, and my camera battery is flashing at me, so I just want to end this before it runs out of battery. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.